Hello, my name is Zarina.
My name is Miriam.
My name is Damonur.
And we are the organizers for this year's STEAM Olympiad.
Now you might be wondering, what is the STEAM Olympiad? Well, it's a competition here that occurs annually in Haileybury Astana, and anyone from Kazakhstan can join. Now, you might be wondering what exactly is it that you'll have to do? Well, you'll have to complete a challenge made by us that will remain a mystery until you come to our day and create a product that is suited to the integral parts of STEAM, such as science,
Technology, engineering,
art, and math. Now, does that sound like something that's up your lane? Why don't we hear about the requirements?
So, if you want to join this Olympiad, you will need to have a team of 2 to 5 people maximum, and you will need to be from 11 to 18 years old.
Now, if you fulfill these requirements, click the link on our Instagram account and create a 1-minute video of who you are and why you want to join this Olympiad. See you there!
Goodbye!
Goodbye!